Hello students, welcome to Lucky Gate. It is a question in GATE 2021 from the subject compiler design asked for 2 marks, and this is a question is of numerical answer type question, that is fill in the blanks question. Now coming to the question, consider the following augmented grammar. Already grammar is augmented with these symbols as terminals, and this is a grammar given with certain productions, and it is already augmented with an s dash tends to s production. Now the question is, let I is the closure of s dash tends to dot s. It means what were the items that are possible with s dash tends to dot s is all will be considered as one set. We can call one closure set. The number of items in the go to of I comma lesser comma lesser is, means we have to find go to of I comma lesser is the first one. Then that go to of I comma lesser is going to give you some state. Then you have to find go to of that state comma lesser, you have to find again. Fine. Now have a look what is possible with s dash tends to dot s, because whenever s dash tends to dot s is there, we have to write that s productions in the closure set. What were the s productions? We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, all 7 productions you have to write in the same closure set with dot at the beginning. The first production s tends to dot s hash cs, and the second production s tends to dot ss, third production s tends to dot s at the rate, and then fourth production s tends to dot lesser s greater, and next production is s tends to dot a, s tends to dot b, s tends to dot c. Now this completely will be considered as one closure set. Now have a look, this is I am calling the state I. Okay, now what is the question? We need to find go to of I comma lesser first. That I is the state, this one. Okay, from this state we need to find a transition with respect to lesser. Now what is possible with respect to lesser transition? Have a look with respect to lesser transition. Now lesser is there with this production. It means we have to move dot one position to the right with respect to lesser, so that you are going to have these kind of items, that is s tends to lesser dot s close. Now here you see, because dot s, where s is a non-terminal, then we have to include even that non-terminal productions into the same set. What is a non-terminal? Capital S. That capital S is having that 7 productions. All that 7 productions you have to write in the same set. Now it is becoming s tends to dot s hash cs, and the second production s tends to dot ss, then third production s tends to dot s at the rate, then fourth production s tends to dot lesser s close, and also we do have 3 other production, that is s tends to dot a, dot b, and dot c. This is with respect to go to of I comma lesser. This is assuming a state j. Now we need to find this go to of I comma lesser is j, so we need to find again go to of now j comma lesser. Now how do you find go to of j comma lesser? So again you need to make a transition from the jth state with input lesser. Now look, With input lesser, it is only one possibility, that is s tends to open dot s close. Now observe friends, open dot s close is the first item in the jth state. Because s tends to open dot s close, because dot s is there, we have to write again all the s productions. How many s productions are there? 7 s productions, means all the 7 s productions you need to write. It means what you are going to get, you are going to get the same state j again on the input lesser. Now what is the question? The number of items in the set go to of I comma lesser is. How many items are there in this state? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the number of items are equals to 8. 8 is the answer for the question. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.